Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Twitter tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find people you've blocked and muted on your Twitter or X. So to do this, just hop on your settings. So you tap on here on your profile, you scroll down here and then you can see settings and support. You just tap on the settings and privacy here. Good. So on here we just scroll up a bit and then we move to privacy and safety here. So on privacy and safety, you can see mute and block here. So you tap on that. Good. So here, when you choose the blocked account, you're going to see a list of accounts you've blocked on there. And also, when you tap on the mute, you're going to see a list of accounts you've muted here. And also muted words and notifications. So you're going to see that. I think I have notifications muted. Yes. So you can do the settings here and then mute some of the notifications you don't like on your X. So that's it on how you can check or see the accounts you've muted and blocked on your Twitter. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.